Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Flutter, Dart, and an IDE. These are non-negotiable so your build tools work. Once done, run Flutter Doctor and fix platform-specific warnings. This prevents future build failures. Make a new app with Flutter, create My App, and open it in your editor. You'll now have a working template to modify. This matters because starting from a known good baseline saves debugging time later. Make sure to connect an emulator or device before writing UI code. You now design your UI with widgets. Use stateless widget when content is static and stateful widget where the UI changes. For app logic, choose a state approach. Set state for small cases, provider or riverpod for scalable apps, because predictable state avoids UI bugs. Once chosen, decompose screens into reusable widgets and move models into separate files. This organization speeds development, enables testing, and makes collaboration easier. Also, you finish by testing and preparing a release. Write widget and integration tests so core flows stay reliable. Once tests pass, optimize images and fonts, update app icons and package identifiers, and confirm permissions. Use Flutter Build App or Flutter Build IPA for release artifacts and follow the Play Store or App Store checklists. If deployment fails, check logs for signing or provisioning errors. Most issues are certificate or bundle ID mismatches, so verify credentials and retry the build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.